In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. Now, there's multiple ways that we can go ahead and approach this. Now, there is no direct way for us to do it. However, there are a few workarounds that we could do in order to effectively tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the WhatsApp group that you want to go ahead and tag. And from here, basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and type out each individual member if you are able to. So go ahead and type in this person. Then you want to go ahead and just keep on going and basically tag all the people that you want to go ahead and add. So as you're able to tell, this group has a ton of people, so go ahead and basically just add whoever you are comfortable with. So yeah, that method is a little bit slow, and in my opinion, it's definitely not the best one. However, there is still a way that we can go ahead and tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. So to do that, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and have a WhatsApp community. So if you want to make your very own community, then you want to go ahead and select on communities, then press on new community right over here and go ahead and get started. So you want to give your community a name. So for this, I'm just going to be calling it How to Now Videos, just like so. And you can go ahead and add a description and stuff like that. But basically, you are able to tag everyone in a community. So if you are part of a WhatsApp community, then you are able to use the everyone function. And basically, you can go ahead and tag people. So here we are, guys. And basically, from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and tap everyone like so. And obviously, because I'm the only one in the group, no one is actually showing up yet. However, if there is people inside of the community, then you are able to go ahead and tag everyone. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.